Hello everybody. Today is a sick edition of what am I going to be eating is since my wife told me that I'm sick, I need some chicken noodle soup. Since I like spicy, I went and got this. I'm going to try it out first, and if it's not hot enough, there's some Reaper powder. Hopefully I'll be able to breathe again. Let's see what it tastes like. Stir it up a little bit. Looks good. Alright. A kick to it. Yeah, that's not bad tasting at all. It'd be better if I could actually taste a lot better. Right now my nose is stuffed and I've been under the weather. Hopefully this helps. But I'm a little bit different and I like things spicy. Now this does have... Normal people wouldn't be able to eat this. Or they'd be like... probably not finishing the whole bowl. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Reaper powder in there. Let's see. Stir it up. Get all that. Maybe this will help clear me up. And again, I love my hot stuff. By the way, the wife is mad that I shaved my beard. Yeah, actually, that kicked it up a little bit. That's really good. I highly recommend. I'll give you... There's my pepper plants growing, some of them. Yeah. But, as I always say, have a great weekend. Don't do stupid stuff. There we go. I'm out.